Hello students, welcome to our session. And in this session, we will discuss about the chapter number 9. The name of this chapter is More About Clothes. In this session, we discussed about the clothes which we wear in our daily life. Always clothes protect us from many types of problems, and we use different types of clothes according to our weather, according to our season. You can think without clothes how our life will go on. Without clothes, our life is not, as I say, our life is not possible. As we need food to live, then we also need different types of clothes to protect ourselves. So, clothes are also very useful to us, like food to survive our life against the different types of seasonal problems, against the weather conditions. So almost all type of people use different types of clothes according to their material. They use different types of clothes to survive, to protect themselves against different types of conditions. So in this chapter, they have also given in our textbook some types of topics. Using these topics, we can learn, we can know about the clothes more. As you have already learned about the clothes in your previous classes also, we need different types of clothes to protect ourselves. For example, in winter season, you and I all we wear sweater. Why we wear sweater in winter? Because we want to protect ourselves from cold condition. So we wear sweater because the sweater is made from wool, and wool always keep ourselves hot uh, and protect ourselves from cold atmosphere. So we all wear sweater in winter season. Then we wear cotton clothes in summer. Why we wear cotton clothes in summer? Because we want to protect ourselves from a hot atmosphere. Because in summer you will observe very hot atmosphere we have. So we wear cotton clothes, almost cotton clothes, because cotton clothes protect ourselves from the hot atmosphere. So we wear cotton clothes in summer. And it is also best for us to wear cotton cloth in hot atmosphere. Then at present the monsoon season is going on. How we protect ourselves while we have rain? We wear raincoat to protect ourselves from rain, because raincoat useful to us, because raincoat protect ourselves from rain. So like this we have different types of clothes in our life which protect us in different ways, which are very useful to us to protect ourselves according to functions, according to days, according to season, according to places. We have many types of clothes available which are very useful to us in our life. Also at day we wear different types of clothes, but at night we wear night dress because we are comfortable in night dress for sleep. So according to our habit, we have also different types of clothes using different materials which are very useful to us. In earlier times, the people have no clothes to wear. How they protect themselves? They make clothes by using the leaf of trees and make them safe according to their body structure, and wear their leaf to protect themselves. Then they get idea how make a cloth by stitching. First they stitch the leaf and make safe according to their body, and feet and cover their body using the different types of leaves of trees. Then they get idea how to make a fiber, how to make fiber using natural things, and then they started to make clothes and protect themselves and cover themselves. Okay, so Clothes are our need. Clothes are our need. As I said to you, our life is not possible without food, because if we want to do any kind of work, then we want energy. And how we will get this type of energy? We will get this type of energy using healthy food, because we will get all types of nutrients from the food, vitamins, minerals, proteins, which are very useful to us. So we can say our life is not possible without food, as our life is not possible without clothes, because clothes are very useful to us. Clothes always protect ourselves against many type of conditions. Then clothes fibers and their types. Clothes are made from different types of fibers, and they have also some types. In clothes you can see natural fiber and synthetic fiber. The clothes which we have wear, they have two types: natural fiber and synthetic fiber. Natural fiber, that means the clothes, the fiber which we get from plants and animals, which are given by the naturally. We get the fiber from the plant or animals, are called natural fiber. For example, cotton, jute, flax, hemp are the example of plant fibers. Using plant, they make a fiber which are very useful to us. For example, silk. How we will get silk? We will get silk from silkworm. It is a one type of animal fiber. So the fiber which we get from animals and plants, these type of fibers are called natural fibers. And we have also some types of clothes which we get from the naturally. We will get naturally this type of fiber, this type of clothes which are made from natural fiber. Natural fiber are called the natural fiber, which are made from the plant and animals. These are called the natural fiber. Cotton, jute, we almost use this type of clothes in our life. Cotton, jute, flax, hemp are the example of plant fibers. Then wool and silk. Wool and silk are obtained from animals, so they are called animal fibers. Wool we can get from sheep. In your next classes, you will learn about the clothes in more ways. You will learn how we will get the wool from sheep. We get wool from sheep, which are very useful to us. As I say you, in winter season we wear sweater to protect ourselves, using wool jacket to protect ourselves from cold atmosphere. So how we will get wool? We get wool from sheep. So this is one type of animal fiber which are very useful to us. Then silk is also obtained from silkworms. We can get silk fiber from silk, so it is also called the animal fiber. The fiber which we will get from animals and plants, they are called natural fiber, because we will get them naturally. Then we have other type, synthetic fiber. We have also second type of synthetic fiber. First is natural fiber and second is synthetic fiber. Synthetic fiber is not obtained from plant or animal. We will get synthetic fiber. Synthetic fiber is made by human being using some types of machines or using some types of process. They will get this type of fiber. They are called the synthetic fiber. In synthetic fiber, we will not get the fiber by naturally, not from the animal or plant. It is made by human being, so it is called the natural fiber. For example, nylon, rayon, lycra and polyester. And these types of fibers are called synthetic fiber, which are man-made, which are not obtained from plants and animals. which are obtained, which are made by human being, so they are called the synthetic fiber. Synthetic fiber are also very useful to us. As I say, polyester always stay straight. We will observe many types of qualities are available in synthetic fibers. Also, we have some types of drawbacks in this fiber. So, both fibers are very useful to us because clothes are very useful to us. So, natural fiber and synthetic fiber both are very useful to us because all type of people need clothes to wear according to their work, according to their need. They all need for clothes to wear, and we will get clothes from different types of fiber which are available to us. Which type of fiber? Natural fiber and synthetic fiber. Natural fiber, that means we get the naturally, and synthetic fibers are made by human. Clothes and culture. Then after clothes and culture, you always observe all people do not wear same types of clothes at every places. They use different types of clothes according to their functions also. For example, at any place we have marriage, then we will not go in marriage with wearing uniform. We wear different types of colorful dress. Why? Because our need is according to our function also. If we want to go any type of function, then we wear different types of clothes according to function. If we have any date in our family or in our relation, then we do not go there with wearing colorful sarees or modern dress. We will go there by wearing white or black cloth. Why? Because our need is depend on our function also. So all people have different types of clothes available there according to their functions also. Climate and cultural traditions also available there. People always used clothes according to the climate and culture. For example, in our earth, at our earth, we have different types of climates available. According to their climate, they wear different types of clothes. If they have cold atmosphere, so they wear wool clothes there. And if they have hot atmosphere, then they wear cotton clothes which protect them hot atmosphere. So clothes are also depend on the climate and traditional. Okay, then you can see here Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir, there is famous dress called the Firan, a thick long dress which they have wear there. Then Kerala, Mundu and Niriyathu, they wear this type of clothes there according to their tradition, according to their climate. Then kimono is a national dress of Japan. We have also some types of national dress are available according to their climate, according to their tradition. For example, kimono is national dress of Japan. In Japan, you can see the kimono is national dress of there. Then hanbok of Korea. Hanbok of Korea. And in our India, you can see in our India, sari is our national dress. You observe that. I think you observe that all your videos which are given by to us, which are given by to your ma'am, all your ma'am wear sari. Why they wear sari? Because sari is our national dress. Any almost in our Gujarat, all types of lady want to wear sari. It is our national dress. So we also wear sari when we are given video to you. So in India, our national dress is our sari. Then clothes and profession. As I said to you, clothes are useful Clothes are used by human according to their functions, according to their conditions, climatic conditions, and according to their professions also. As you observed in school, almost all teachers wear sari because uh, always teacher look pretty in sari, and it is this is according to their profession. Always all want to wear sari, want to see with sari, all teachers. Okay, then advocate always wear black coat. Then doctor and nurses wear white clothes because they have professions different. So clothes are also different according to different professions also. So clothes are very useful to us. When you when you read when you read these all topics in your textbooks, you will also more learn about this thing, how clothes protect us, how we need different types of clothes according to our functions, according to our need, according to our climatic conditions. We wear different types of clothes, and clothes always protect us from many types of problems. When we get cold atmosphere, we wear wool clothes which are protect us from cold atmosphere. In summer, we wear cotton clothes which protect us from hot atmosphere. Then we have two types of fibers available. Fiber, that means the clothes are made from using by different types of fibers, and we have two types of fibers available: natural fibers and synthetic fibers. Natural fibers, that means we can obtain from animals and plants. These types of fibers are called the natural fibers, which are very useful to us. For example, cotton, jute are the example of plant fibers. Then wool and silk, which are obtained from animal, so they are called the natural fiber, because the natural fiber, that means we can get the naturally. Then we have synthetic fiber. Synthetic fiber are not obtained from any natural thing, like plant or animals. Synthetic fiber is made by humans, so they are called the synthetic fiber. For example, rayon, nylon, polyester, these are the example of synthetic fiber. They have different according to the features, but both are very useful to us. Both nylon, natural fiber and synthetic fibers, both are very useful to us because clothes are very important to us. Clothes always protect us from different types of problems. Then clothes and culture, always people wear different clothes according to their climate and traditional conditions. Then in Jammu and Kashmir, you can see Firan, Kerala, Mundu, and then kimono is national dress of Japan. Then hanbok of Korea, and sari. Sari is our national dress. Sari in India, sari is our national dress. Then clothes and profession. Always all type of people want to wear clothes according to their profession. Always advocate to wear black coat. Nurse and doctor want to wear white clothes because they have different profession. We can also see the people use different types of clothes according to their profession. So in this session, we have discussed about the clothes, which are very important to us. As I said, our life is not possible without food, as our life is not possible without clothes. Clothes are also very useful to us. So in this session, our chapter number 9 is completed here. Now we will meet in our next session.